Here we go, a Hotheads shop built 496. So this started off as a 454. We went to Skip White Performance. God bless those people, and they sold us the rotating assembly. We reused the customer's roller cam. Not exactly sure what it is. His lifters were bad, so we put some a lot better hydraulic roller lifter in it. Had a little head problem, but these are Merlin heads. We reworked the heads a while back, and they're still good to go. I needed some new exhaust, so got some new stock exhaust manifolds. We put a 20cc dome piston in this and a 496 rotating assembly. So now it's a 496. It's got a little more compression, and we're gonna fire this thing up. Let's see what we got. Hook that to those vice grips, our little makeshift rig. We like to fire them up. We had to steal the ignition box. Got a 6M3L ignition box. I'm gonna pump this gas one time. Let's see how close we got it. Hit it. Prime the oiling system and all that good stuff prior, and runs good. That's what we expected. We're going to set the timing on it here in a few minutes, bolt that down, put the ignition and source back in the boat, and it's going in this boat over here, this Scarab. It's an older model Scarab, needs a little work. Kenneth's blocking the Scarab. It's a 28 Scarab XL, so it should be a good engine package for it and help it run good. Anyway, thanks for watching.